I'll briefly go over how to answer question number 6 on the worksheet. So what we have here is a producer who produces handcrafted furniture. This table shows her marginal willingness to sell for each unit listed here. Marginal willingness to sell is the minimum price that she needs in order to produce or sell that unit. Remember that minimum price that a producer needs is given by the marginal cost of producing that unit, which is to say that when a producer is deciding whether to sell something or not, the minimum price that she needs is the additional cost she incurred to produce that unit. The way you should read it, therefore, is in order to produce the first unit and sell the first unit, she needs $50. In order to produce and sell the second unit, she needs $60 for that second unit. And for the third unit, she needs $80. For the fourth unit, she needs $100. We're going to use the fact that the height of the supply curve is the marginal willingness to sell. So what I have plotted here is the marginal willingness to sell for each unit, and using this result we can say that we have also plotted the supply curve. Suppose the retailer offers her a price of $70 per furniture. How many units will she sell? Well, she's going to sell the first unit because the minimum price that she needs is $50. She gets $70 for that unit, so she'll sell that. She'll also sell the second unit because the minimum price is below the actual price or the offer price, 60 versus 70, so she will also sell the second unit. However, she's not going to sell the third and the fourth unit because the minimum price required is greater. So if price is 70, she is going to sell 2 units. What is her producer surplus? Producer surplus is the difference between the actual price received by the producer and the willingness to sell, or the minimum price that's required. So since she sells 2 units, we have to add the producer surplus she receives from the first unit and the producer surplus she receives from the second unit. For the first unit, she gets a price of 70. The willingness to pay is the willingness to sell is 50. So her surplus from the first unit is 20. For the second unit, she gets a price of 70. Her willingness to sell is 60, so she gets a producer surplus of 10. So combined, she gets a producer surplus of 30. We can show this graphically by drawing the price line, or the actual price that she receives is 70, and then by finding the area of the shaded area here, you can combine the area of the 2 rectangles and show that the area here is equal to $30. So that's how you solve this question.